Hello there. Welcome to Shaun Academy. Today in this video we're going to learn how to start a vape business. My name is Sarah and I will be your instructor in this video. Now, before we start a vape business, let's take a closer look at what goes into starting one and how we can make yours profitable. The vaping industry has given cigarette smokers a healthier alternative, which many smokers see as an aid to quitting smoking. As a result, over the last decade, vape shops have grown in popularity. Starting your own vape shop can be a rewarding business opportunity, but you must be aware of the current changes and regulations affecting the industry. Vape shops are specialty retail establishments that sell electronic cigarettes and other related products. These stores typically stock a wide range of products that have been carefully selected for their quality and reputation. This diverse range of products provides customers with numerous options and allows them to explore and learn about new products. Tobacco products are typically not sold in vape shops. Instead, these stores are more likely to sell e-cigarettes and e-liquids. Customers buy from vape shops for a variety of reasons. These stores can assist them in discovering new products. Customers who shop in person may be able to test products before purchasing them. Shop owners can provide useful information, and retailers provide convenience and instant gratification over purchasing products from online stores. Your target audience will be vaping enthusiasts. These are frequently smokers looking for a healthier alternative. Depending on the products stocked, a shop may cater to different target markets, such as younger consumers seeking flavored or novelty products. A business degree is not required to open a vape shop, but certain skills and experiences can help the business succeed. 1. Vaping knowledge. A shop owner who vapes will be well prepared to select quality products, make product recommendations to customers, and develop the shop so that it is appealing to its target market. Customers value a shop owner who can make personalized recommendations. 2. Understanding of vaping industry trends. The vaping industry evolves quickly, and a store owner must stay current on trends in order to keep the store relevant and appealing to its customers. 3. Customer service abilities. Customers frequently visit vape shops to learn about new products, which is more difficult to do when ordering products online. A shop owner with excellent customer service skills will be able to ensure positive experiences for customers, encouraging them to return to the store. 4. Attention to detail. Attention to detail is essential in starting and managing a vape shop business, from selecting the right inventory to managing employee schedules. Step 1. Develop a business plan. After you've come up with an idea, the next step in starting your business is to write a business plan. Not only will a bank require you to have a business plan, but numerous studies have shown that having one increases your chances of starting a successful business. Step 2. Give your company a name. Finding the ideal business name can be difficult. The name must not only be memorable to your customers, but it must also be available for use. Step 3. Establish a business entity. A business entity is how a company is legally organized to operate. There are 4 main types of business entities to choose from: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporation, and limited liability company, LLC. Each entity type has advantages and disadvantages, such as liability exposure, costs, and administrative requirements. When deciding which business entity is best for a vape shop, the sole proprietorship and limited liability company are usually the 2 options. A partnership exposes the owners to unnecessary personal liability because if one partner causes the business to be sued, or steals money from the business, the other partners are personally liable to repay. The corporation is a good option because it separates the assets of the business from the assets of the owner. If the corporation is sued or certain business debts are unable to be repaid, the owners are not personally liable to repay them. The disadvantage of the corporation is that it is more complex than the other entities, and necessitates more administration than the LLC. However, if you intend to raise a large amount of capital, a corporation is usually a better option. That leaves sole proprietorship and limited liability company. The sole proprietorship is the cheapest and simplest entity to establish, which is appealing. The owner is personally liable if anything goes wrong with the business, which is an important consideration. the LLC allows you to operate as a sole proprietorship while providing the liability protection of a corporation. Depending on the state, the cost of forming an LLC ranges from $40 to $500, which is reasonable for protecting the owners from business-related lawsuits and debts. If you found this video useful, please show your appreciation by clicking the like button. Also, let us know in the comments if you'd like us to make a long, comprehensive follow-up video to learn more about how to start a vape business. Also, don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos from Shaun Academy, an extension for education.